Alright guys, it's Bonfire Night, so I'm going to try and do a video today, just go out and see what's going on. Ooh, bloody hell, it's World War III. Can you remember what happened in 2011 or not? With the flares just over there, with that guy? Or not?
No.
Oh, because I was with Joe, wasn't I? Right. Here's what happened back in 2011. Oh God.
Yeah, see, it's the flares! It's a man with a flare.
Fucking hell.
See,
What the
just let these things up on the thing. Or
is he on fucking crack or something? Is he on fucking drugs? Aye. Very funny. Ah, it's got to get set alight. I mean, someone's made that pile. It's gonna get set alight. Even missing them, man. Out here, man. Wait for us. Go on, son. That's it. Oh, that was rubbish. Right, back over here. The house. One at the fucking house, man. Look at. They're hitting the fucking house. Oh, bloody hell. Bloody hell, man. The geese are pissing off about the bloody Africa or wherever they go. Were they meant to do that?
yeah, it's like that absolute shitty one that just goes off the god.
Because that could just set fire to your house. It's mental. We're going here, we're going, look at this. Look. Oh, for God's sakes, man. What are you doing? Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I'm not even going to analyse these, they're just absolutely terrible. This is worse than the Great Gatsby.
Oh, that one.
This is literally worse than the Great Gatsby. Go on, son, go on, son. That's it, that's it!
Yes!
Yes, that's it!
Oh, is that it?
Oh, shameful.
They should have 5 of them ones.
Lord. Get in there, Gary, mate. Alright guys, that was about it. Not much else happened, to be honest with you. Yeah, like if you wanna again just leave any comments for videos you want us to do, like in the future, because I haven't really got much videos planned at the minute. After Christmas I should be bringing gaming back to the channel, because I'll probably get I'm probably getting a capture card. Aye. That's about it. Right. See yous. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Right. See yous.